Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can find out what your login credentials are, or in other words, how you can recover your username and password for cPanel in case you forgot it or somehow lost it. For this tutorial, we'll be using the AMP or the account management panel to find your cPanel credentials, so let's get right into it. But first, let me explain what cPanel is if you're not informed already. Now, cPanel is an online graphics user interface which is Linux based, and it is used pretty much to help you with managing your site and your files, and of course to manage your servers as well, and it makes the entire thing a lot easier. You can manage your accounts, databases, emails, and so on and so forth. So in general, it is very useful. However, it is a monthly subscription based service, so just keep that in mind if you plan on using that. Now, to recover your credentials, as I've said, you will need to use the account management panel. Now, this is the only good way that I've found so far, so just follow these steps and everything should be fine. So the first step to finding your cPanel account is, of course, logging into the AMP. If you have a account, you use your email. If you don't, just create a new one and log into it. Once you're there, you need to click on the account technical details button, which looks something like this, and just click on it and you'll see all the credentials that you wish, or your username and password. You can see the cPanel username here, and it will be listed next to username. To get the password, you can just reset your admin password through the standard procedure, but all you need is your username, which is listed here. You can also see the plan, the primary domain, and the server. However, you just need your username, and that's about it. Just go and recover your password as you usually would, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.